Hello, in this section we're going to take a look at some core accounting concepts that will be useful as we start to enter data into both the QuickBooks systems and the Excel systems. Concepts including the cash basis versus the accrual basis of accounting. These concepts will be useful as we enter the data into the QuickBooks system because it'll help us to know what the QuickBooks system is doing in terms of generating that data into the end result, the financial statements. It'll also help us, and we'll see it more transparently as we apply that information into the Excel problem, this being where we're actually going to see the transaction taking place, the debits and credits, the balancing concept. Both accounts will be transparent within the Excel side of things. We'll also see the Excel side of things post into the general ledger, creating the trial balance and creating the financial statements. Therefore, these accounting concepts will be very useful for us to interpret the information, set up the QuickBooks system, and then interpret those financial statements. And they will be much more apparent in terms of the workings of these concepts as we do the Excel portion of the course.